Everybody, it's Lynn from Lynn's Craft Designs. I've got some resin mixed up here. I have no idea how much it is. I think it's like 40 milliliters. Yeah, 40, a little bit more than 40 milliliters. It's a tiny amount, I admit that, but I need it for several projects. I'm gonna pour this little pot in a glitter sapphire holographic blue. I'm gonna do these two little bats with this metallic alcohol ink in the gray, and some of this is the reflections from Christy Friesen line, which is just a macro pearl, which is a chunkier. And then this white, which is actually a white pearl, and also some of that. Okay? And I'm sorry, the second thing is for these little ghosts. I want to use my silhouette, and it's not working. So in a vain attempt to do something about that, I'll take it apart tonight and see if there's any hope for it, and if not, I guess not. Okay, so I need the tiniest bit of black. About that much. Oh, probably need quite a bit more than that in the white. Okay. Oh, that's almost too overflowing. Alright, I'll do both of those before I do the blue, just to make sure I've got enough. A really good score to that gray. It's not UV resin, so I'm not worried about keeping it transparent. Okay, let's see. The tiniest little bit. Okay. What do I got? I need to stir something. No. I'll be back. Okay. Now I'm not worried about the wood introducing bubbles because I'm not worried about bubbles. Okay. It's a very sparkly near black. Just like I wanted. I can tell already. It's gonna be way more than I needed. Oh man. Almost made it without losing a drop. Gloves can really make you feel stupid sometimes. Okie dokie. Okay, I know it seems like a ridiculously tiny amount. Maybe not quite as wide as I want. This is just some white alcohol ink that I keep out here on my desk. Yeah. That did it, didn't it? Okay. Now this one looks like it has them in it. And I think it does. Don't want to dome these too much on the back because then it'll cover in the eyes and stuff. Literally like right on the money. I got totally a drop left. Okay, I'm gonna put the it seems ridiculous, I know, but I'm out of UV resin. And I didn't want to worry about keeping these transparent. Okay, just a quick demold. Let's start with these rocks. Okay. Okay, just some extra rocks. Just has a tiny bit of blue. Okay. This one is for a different project. Oh, that's really pretty. Just a glittery, holographic blue. Okay. Now the important part. These tiny little bats. It's exactly what I wanted them to look like. Exactly. Okay, now it needs a little trimming. It's a bit over pour. these little tiny molds like that. They demold so easy. Okay. Love the little ghosts. Super cute. Okay. Now, they're hard to pick up. Okay. Had to let the dog out. Okay. Hey. Stuck down a little premature. Okay. A little bit of... I don't know what it is right there. I don't know if that's in the mold, if that's something I did. I'm not sure. Super cute. Cutesy. Halloween is totally not my vibe. But this glittery just really screamed out for a cutesy. Okay, so there you go. Cutesy. Now this one, I'm gonna have to do a UV resin top coat. But first, I gotta trim up this bat. Okay, now I totally cannot see. Okay. Okay. I'm just gonna give that a few seconds to settle. Probably gonna hit it a couple of times with my long neck lighter, and then I'll be back. I'm not. Okay. And basically, it's just like that. Okay. Now, I'm gonna put that under the UV lamp and let it cure. Okay. There we go. A nice little collection. Now these would make great gifts. They'd make great craft fair projects. Gifts, craft fair project. You name it. These little candle holders really sell well. all different colors. Y'all seen I've made quite a few different finishes, glitter mixes, metal leaf mixes, mica powder mixes. I've even done them in polyurethane. Okay, I did one where I just mica powdered and then fill it up with a gray tinted polyurethane. Glitters, resin dyes, mica powders, all of that is listed in my Amazon shop. I am a Let's Resin affiliate. I've got Let's Resin links and coupon code listed below. About the Amazon shop, I get a little kickback from. I'm supposed to say that. I've got to buy me a coffee link, Amazon wish list, Facebook, Instagram. It's all down there. Alright? Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank y'all so much for watching. I know these last 2 weeks have been kind of chaotic. Rural internet. That's all I gotta say. Rural internet. Okay? Bye for now.